Tired of tangled cables and cluttered desks? The RayHenry 2 PCS Cable Organizer Box offers a smart, clear solution to keep your workspace neat and efficient. With 7 transparent compartments, it's designed to help you spot what you need instantly, saving time and frustration. Crafted from high-quality transparent plastic, this cable organizer box isn't just durable, it's waterproof and dust-resistant too. The see-through design lets you identify cords, chargers, or small accessories at a glance. Plus, its sturdy build ensures it can handle daily use without wear or tear. Each box measures 7.87 by 3.93 by 2.36 inches and comes with 14 smaller cases sized at 3.7 by 2.6 by 2.6 inches, perfect for cables up to 5 feet long. The stackable design means you can maximize your desk or drawer space without sacrificing accessibility or organization. What sets this organizer apart is its versatility. Beyond cables, it's ideal for earphones, cards, paperclips, and sticky notes. You can even use it for cosmetics or jewelry, keeping earrings, rings, watches, lipsticks, and bracelets neatly stored and easy to find. Whether you're working from home, setting up an office, or managing school supplies, this cable organizer box adapts to your needs. It works great on desks, in drawers, or on countertops, turning any space into a tidy, clutter-free zone that helps you focus. If you're someone who values order and efficiency, this organizer offers a clear advantage. It's not just about storage, it's about simplifying your daily routine by keeping essentials visible and within reach. That means less time hunting and more time doing what matters. Worth a look if you want to streamline your workspace without sacrificing style or functionality. The RayHenry Cable Organizer Box is a practical, multi-purpose tool that keeps your essentials protected and perfectly arranged. Ready to clear the chaos and bring order to your desk? Try the RayHenry 2 PCS Cable Organizer Box when you're ready to upgrade your organization game. It's a small change that makes a noticeable difference every day.